Most of the students waste their time on the wrong tasks in PTE. If you want to master and get 79 each in PTE, focus on these 3 tasks which I'm going to share now. Make sure you save this video and share it with your friends. I'm Malcolm. The first important task is reading fill in the blanks, which is reading drag and drop blanks. It's one of the most important tasks to accumulate a higher score in the reading test. The most important thing in this task is to understand the context, very important. Understand the tone of the sentences, positive or negative. And one tip, which is my master tip, is don't try to solve the questions from start to the end. Instead, just see the words which are next to each blank and try to guess the answer in any order. For example, if the first blank is hard, you can start to solve the question from the bottom also. Just try to make logical pairs and collocations in your mind. That way you can save time and increase your accuracy. The second most important task to get 79 each in PTE is reading and writing fill in the blanks, which is popularly known as drop down blanks. This task checks our grammar. Very important that we understand the tense along with the tone, positive or negative. By tense I mean past, present, future, past continuous, present continuous, future continuous, past perfect, present perfect, future perfect, etc. Also, try to see the tense of the verb means action, in the previous and the next sentences. That also definitely helps a lot. Again, my tip is don't overthink in this task. Out of 4 options, because there's a drop down menu, out of 4 options, generally 2 will be easy to eliminate. For the remaining 2, close your eyes and just try to speak that word with the next word. So try to form some logical collocations in your mind. If it sounds correct, probably it is correct and it will be the right answer. When you doubt yourself and change your response, that's when you generally end up making a mistake and choosing the wrong answer. This task is really important for 79 plus because it contributes to reading and writing both the scores. Now, the third most important task which you must master if you are targeting 79 each is write from dictation. This is the last task in the PTE test. Very, very important because it contributes roughly 25 to 30 points in listening and writing both, depending on whether you get 3 or 4 questions. Make sure you don't make even a single spelling mistake, and you might be surprised that even if you miss a comma, you might lose some marks in writing, because sometimes the grammar is incorrect without the comma. There are also other tasks which are important, like read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image in speaking, write essay in writing, summarize spoken text, listening blanks, and highlight incorrect words in listening. All these tasks are important to get 79 each, but these are the 3 most important tasks. I would say reading blanks, reading writing blanks, and write from dictation, along with repeat sentence in speaking. If you need classes for PTE, IELTS or NATI CCL, you can contact us. The numbers are mentioned in the comment section. I'm Malcolm from A1 Australia PTE IELTS NATI Coaching. Good luck.